Almost to a new personal best, just a few more. Oh, man. If you can relate to that, then this video is for you. We're talking double unders, but specifically if you keep getting hung up at your personal best, whether it's 10, 20, 50, 150, I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks in order to blast through those plateaus and keep increasing your consecutive double under count. Grab your rope and let's do this. The cause of trip ups when people are doing max double unders is pretty much always the same. It's form breakdown. Form is going to break down at some point, and it's always due to fatigue. See, if you've never done more than 10 double unders, when you start approaching 10 double unders, you're going to be tired. Something is going to break down, and that's where your phone is usually your best friend, because phones now have slow motion video capture, so you can slow it down and really identify what's going on. And that is your first goal. So if I'm doing double unders, I want to find out what's causing my trip up. Is it because a hand is drifting up, yanking my rope over into my feet or up into my feet, or is it both hands going up? Is a wrist getting too tired and it's not rotating at the same speed as the other one, throwing off the axis of the rope? All of these things are going to play into it, and you need to identify which one it is. Once you've identified what the problem is, now you need to really focus on maintaining really tight form during your jumping. This is something that I focused on from when I started jumping rope. I knew consistency and form was the key to success with it, because if I can jump once, I can maintain that exact same form, I should be able to jump the rope as many times as I want to. The only problem is the fatigue factor. When you get tired, something's going to break down. So once you start really being able to force yourself to stay in that tight form, that's what's going to allow you to start pushing through to higher and higher numbers. So the drill that I have for you is max speed single unders. First, I want you to do your max doubles. Whatever that number is, get to your max doubles. And as soon as you trip up from fatigue, then I want you to stop doing doubles and go right into max speed singles. And I want you to use the sprint alternate leg technique, because you can get more speed. And what you're going to shoot for is 30 to 60 seconds. Ultimately, you want to get up to the 60-second mark, because this is going to allow you to do maximum energy output, still maintaining form and technique for a longer period of time. You might have to dial it back a little bit so you don't keep tripping up, but this is going to start helping you develop max speed endurance. And that's going to be key for your double unders. Now that's pretty much the only drill you need if you only have one jump rope. That's going to be the main way that you can push yourself through that energy plateau that's causing your form breakdown, technique breakdown, and leading to the trip ups. And that leads me to my favorite drill. If you have more than one jump rope, specifically weighted jump ropes, I have a 1-pound jump rope here. Weighted jump ropes are an excellent way to build your strength and endurance for double unders. And weighted ropes will help you increase your double unders faster than anything else. And the reason for that is because you have a heavier rope. This is a 1-pound rope. So as I'm jumping with a 1-pound rope, I have the 1 pound in the rope pulling in all directions around me, trying to destabilize my shoulders. My form is trying to break my form. So I'm having to really hold tight to my form as I go fast. So now, if I do the same drill for 30 to 60 seconds max speed, that is going to wear me out a whole lot faster. Then when I go back to the light rope, it's going to seem like a piece of cake, because I'm going down in weight. I've built my strength up in my shoulders and upper body to maintain that tight form. It's gonna be immovable. I'm gonna be solid, and it worked me harder cardio-wise, so I'm now have better endurance in the jumping motion. What this is gonna also do is gonna help teach you max heavy rope speed. So you're gonna learn to move a heavier rope at a higher and higher rate of speed. This is going to help you accelerate your lighter rope faster and maintain that higher speed for longer periods of time. Now, once you start getting your heavy rope fast, that's when you can start doing heavy double unders. So now you're not gonna just work double unders with the light rope, now you're gonna start working them with the heavy rope, because if you can maintain nice tight form with a 1 pound or a ½ pound rope, you're gonna be much better when you go back to your light rope as well.
A cheaper alternative to weighted ropes is the heavy beaded rope by Elite SRS, also linked below.
So that's the key to pushing through these double under plateaus, is you gotta get better at performing your max speed for a longer period of time, whether it's just with the light rope, if that's all you have, or grab yourself some weighted ropes and really start pushing through those barriers and helping your body come back stronger, so when you get fatigued, you're able to fight through, keep that form tight, and keep moving forward. If you're just brand new to double unders, you're gonna wanna check out this video I have linked right over here. I hope you enjoyed this one. Check out the other tutorials I have on the channel, workouts, and I will see you in the next video.